we've been working away on it. I've got all the wires in here. I'm blocking my light. Got all my wires labeled. Figured out what turns on the lights and turn signals and brakes, and got it all figured out. Kind of still want to get the wipers working, but I haven't dove into that at all yet. That's going to be all this stuff and everything in here. If you notice, we've got all of the wires out of the doors. And I'll take you over there and show you what we're going to do with that. But this is where we're at on the lights. I haven't been filming too much. Nobody wants to watch anybody freaking trace wires and get lights working and boring shit like that. I know I wouldn't. I was doing it and I didn't want to watch it. This is the driver's side from the power door lock up, windows, power window switches, everything like that, window light, power door lock, control module, and window regular module, and all the way to the other side on the driver's or passenger side. So what I'm going to do is, I don't care about the power door locks. I messed with it for a little bit trying to get them to work. I couldn't figure it out. I couldn't find a good wiring diagram on it, nor do I really care about it. So I'm going to pull all the power door locks out, and pretty much I'm just going to trace everything back and pull everything out that doesn't need to be there. All I care about is the power windows. Well, because I don't have a choice but to care about the power windows, because I got to get the windows to go up and down. So I'm going to slowly start stripping this back till it is the absolute bare minimum, and go from there. I'll bring you back when that's all stripped out. There's all the power locks and the power side view mirrors all cut out. We've kind of got everything just laid in there, make sure it's working. Let me go over there real quick and I'll show you. Got everything just kind of laid up against the battery. I think the battery's kind of dying. I've been messing with it a bunch. So, here, let's see. That's going to be right there. Here we go. Passenger. Driver. See, I think the battery's dying. So, everything's working. We kind of got wires all zip tied together and made somewhat neat. I'll probably rewrap it with some electrical tape or who knows, just to protect it a little bit. So there's that. We still got to do the steering column. I think I might be trying to avoid that because I think it's going to be a nightmare. Anyway, there we go. There's an update. Later. Okay, guys, this is where we're at. I've tried to do this like 5 times, so keep on forgetting stuff. So this is where we're at. It's been a couple weeks since I started this video, and just been slowly plugging away at it, doing the 1 hour at a time, stripping out wires that I don't need, routing and tracing stuff that I do need. I've got it down to where it's just the power windows, no power mirrors, no power locks. Any of the stuff that was left in there from the stock stuff that isn't needed has been stripped out, and this is where we're at. Plugging away at it. I just wanted to give an update. Been seeing they've been getting some subscribers since I posted the last video, so wanted to give you guys a quick update. Still no engine. You can see I've got wires laying all over the place. That's not even the stuff that I showed you earlier in the video. Let me come over here. Got some new seats for the wife's car. We might have to do a little side quest project for new seats for the MG. Some Miata seats, some more wire in there, getting everything. You guys can see it's all stripped out and much cleaner than it was the last time I showed it. So that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. Click the like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Later.